it's Nica. If this is your first time here, welcome to my channel, and if you've been here before, thank you so much for coming back. So this is a series on my channel that I like to call Naturally Nica Vlogs. It's basically just me in my raw and natural form as I just show you guys a little bit into my life without all of the, you know, perfect editing and glam and everything. It's just like things that I want to share, but I don't want it to be, you know, a formal video. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. Make sure you check out the other vlogs that I have already posted, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not already. I love you guys and thank you so much for your support. Now let's get into this episode or vlog. Alright you guys, so today's vlog is about my 3-day juice cleanse. Yep, I decided to go on a juice cleanse for 3 days. I got my juices from this place here called Freshie. I don't know if you guys have it in America, but I'll make sure like to link it down below. So it was 7 juices a day for the 3 days. And yeah, it was pretty interesting. However, I'm gonna stop here so I don't give out any spoilers, and you guys could go ahead and watch the whole thing. Alright, so these are the juices that I got. So for the actual cleanse, like the way they sell it together, it's supposed to come with like the 2 Green Genius juices, and this is supposed to be a reset juice. However, when I went, they were out of stock of that, so I kind of like mixed it up a little. He made me the smoothie version of the Green Geniuses for the first day, and then for this day I decided to just do an extra renew for the reset juice. I decided to do an extra renew. So yeah, it's the Green Genius, the Renew, which is the one with the carrot, orange, lemon, and turmeric. This is the Immune Elixir, so this is basically a shot with lemon, ginger, and honey. The other green juice, this is the filtered water, lemon, agave nectar, and charcoal, so the charcoal lemonade. The Renew again, and then the Recharge, which is the carrot, apple, beet, lemon, and ginger juice. So yeah. Alright you guys, so I'm on FaceTime with my cousin Kiki because she's also doing the doing on the workout journey with me. So she might try the juices. We're gonna see. I'm about to try it with her. Okay. Oh, I can get it through this straw. Hold on, let me change straws. Okay, so I switched to a smoothie straw. Let's do this. It's not good. There's like something in it that has like a expired undertaste. Like it kind of tastes like.
Take a big sip, like a big one. Yeah, not like that.
The leaves. My God. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish this. The next juice I'm gonna take in like an hour and a half, so I'll come back to show you guys the next one. Alright you guys, so it is now time for the second juice. This is the Renew one. So this one is the carrot, orange, lemon, and turmeric. So I'm gonna shake it up first just because it has like some separation. Let's see. Okay, it smells like carrots. Bottoms up. This is not bad. It has like a weird aftertaste. I don't hate it. Oh my God, this is really good. Okay, yeah. I'll be able to drink this one. So this is my second juice of the day. Yeah, I'm about to, you know, sip on this juice, and I will come back when it's time for the next juice. Alright you guys, so it is time for the third juice of the day. This is the Immune Elixir. This has lemon, ginger, and honey. So I'm a little wary about this one because I'm allergic to honey, but the guy at the store said that it shouldn't give me a reaction. If it does, I do have like Benadryl and other what's it called, like allergy medicine here. So let's go. I'm scared. It smells straight up like ginger. Like, all right, here we go. Cheers. Okay, it doesn't taste horrible. It just really burns, like really burns. But it actually, like, it tastes like lemonade if someone put ginger in it. Jesus. Okay, I'm just gonna power this one out. Let's go. Ooh. Oh God. Okay. Okay. Ooh. I'm gonna go get some water. I'll come back to you guys when I'm on the 4th drink. Alright, so hopefully I look normal. I just finished my makeup to film. Well, it's been taking me forever to do stuff. Anyway, so now we're on to the 4th juice, I think, and this is the charcoal lemonade. It's the filtered water, lemon, agave nectar, and charcoal. So I feel like this one shouldn't taste bad. I've brushed my teeth with charcoal before. Like, I don't think yeah, charcoal doesn't really have a taste. And yeah, lemon, agave nectar is basically sugar and water, so ain't no way this could be bad. Anyway, I'm about to put the camera down, open it, try it, and we'll see. All right, y'all, I would have just put you down, but I moved my tripod, so I can't. But anyway, yeah, so here we are. It smells like lemonade. Let's see. Yep. This one's good. Yeah, so this one's basically just lemonade. So yeah, I'm gonna enjoy this one. So yeah, this is juice number 4. I will come back when I am on juice number 5. Oh wait, actually no, juice number 5 is the green genius, so it's the smoothie again. So I'm just gonna like drink it. Ugh, it's disgusting. To drink that, literally I was taking 1 sip and then water with it, like ugh. But yeah, so after the green genius, it is the it's supposed to be the reset, but since I don't have that, I think I'm just gonna take another renew, and then so I'll come back actually for the 7th one, which is going to be the recharge. Alright, you guys, so I know I'm looking a little crusty now and my makeup's been on for a few hours. I took my lashes off, and I'm sitting down and editing, and I forgot I have to take my last juice. So this is the recharge juice. This is the one with carrot, apple, beet, lemon, and ginger. So fun. So I'm going to shake it up and let's try it. Alright, here we go. Okay, doesn't really smell like much. Okay. Oh, okay. This I think is the worst juice. So this one tastes like, you taste the beets, you taste the ginger. Oh my God. Okay. Between the shot and this, I don't know which one is worse. This ain't it though. So this has been hard. I'm not gonna front, I'm not gonna lie. You know, it has been hard to do. This morning was the hardest because I just love breakfast. Like, breakfast is my favorite meal of the day. So the fact that I couldn't eat breakfast kind of sucked. But yeah, throughout the day it's been okay. Like, I've just been, you know, drinking a lot of water. I've been peeing a lot though and burping a lot, which is weird. I don't know if it's because I'm drinking so much, but yeah. But overall I don't feel that like weird. I do have a little bit of a headache, but you know, other than that, I think it's been I've been okay. I'm just gonna finish editing now, and then after that I'm gonna go to bed, and then tomorrow I'll do this again. So since you already have like all my initial views of the juices, I don't think I'm gonna show you guys me drinking each juice. Like, I'll probably just check in. Sunday is gonna be the last day. We're gonna make it through. We can do this. Oh, also, okay, so I'm a little bit embarrassed to say this, but I did weigh myself. So in the beginning of my weight loss journey, I was at 225.4. I know it's a lot. I know. Okay, I'm 5'6" ish, and yeah, like I had let myself go, period. I had let myself go. So yeah, I was at 225 when I started my weight loss journey. I weighed myself this morning before doing this, and I am now at 219. Yeah, so I'm now at 219, which I know it's not that much. I mean, I have lost some weight, which is nice. I just really probably won't be happy until I get out of the 200s. So yeah, we'll see. Yeah, so I'll check back in with you guys tomorrow. All right, y'all, so we are on day 2 of my juicing, and I decided to buy the ingredients for the green juice to make it myself, just because I've been feeling like just so hungry that I'm just like, okay, you know what, I don't want to give up. I don't want to give up yet. So I bought the stuff to make the green one so I could have like at least an extra juice, because the other ones for real just feel like I'm drinking water. So yeah, the only thing they didn't have was the kale for this one, so I got the lemons, the apples, celery, the spinach, and ginger. So I'm about to wash everything, cut it up, and then make it in my little juicer. And before you ask, oh, why didn't you just make them yourself from the beginning? Because I'm lazy, okay? I am lazy as hell, and I know if I had bought all this stuff to try and make these 7 juices every day, I was not gonna do it. So yeah, this is where we at. Here we go. Ugh, this sound was nasty. All right, you guys, so I have my best friend here watching me as I do this, because you know my friends love to laugh at me. So here we go.
Do it.
Oh my God. It's so sour. And there's like chunks, like, you know, the little strings from celery.
I'm gonna try.
Oh my God. So Caleb wants so desperately to try this out. So go ahead. What?
Are you serious?
It's so yummy.
What?
Crazy.
Yo, he's going back for more. Are you serious? Yo, it's disgusting.
I told you.
Mama.
Oh my God. I think I'm gonna put it through a strainer. No, but the chunks are healthy, huh? All
You
right.
put it through a strainer a few times. It could be a juice.
Yeah, no, I'm putting it through a strainer.
I just have drink from my drink.
I mean, it's still bitter, but yeah, way better without the chunks. Yeah, this I can get through. It's not the best, but
Can I try again?
it's better
Mama?
without the chunks.
Can I try again? I'm gonna get her test drink.
So I went ahead and pre-packaged the other ingredients. I have 1 more of these disgusting juices I have to drink today, and then I got 2 more tomorrow to drink. So yeah. All right, y'all, so I think you just saw everything that I went through. I didn't show the whole 3 days, of course, because I didn't want like the vlog to end up being too long. I know I have a tendency to post really long videos on here, but yeah, so the good news is, okay, so I think in the video I mentioned when I started the cleanse, I was at 219 pounds. I ended up at 206.6. Like, okay, before like you weight loss people, whatever, like nutritionists and whatnot come at me and are like, oh, that's just water weight, whatever, like 12.4 pounds, okay, of just water weight, I don't think is really possible. Just like, yeah, like I think, of course, I know part of it was water weight, but for sure, like, it was other stuff, but it made me just feel so good. And what else do I want to throw in? Oh yeah, I only cheated the second day. I had like 2 bites of watermelon because I couldn't. I was so hungry. I had to. So yeah, so I had 2 bites of watermelon the second day. I tried to work out also the beginning of the second day. I tried to do some jump roping in my living room. I just felt too weak, so I wasn't able to do it. So during the 3 days, it really was just me drinking the juices, me drinking the water, and yeah, so I think that's pretty much it. I don't know if there's anything else I really want to say, but I think you guys should totally try the juice cleanse. Even if it's just one day, I still think everyone should really give it a try, because for real, I just felt amazing after. Like, it really cleaned me out. Like, really cleaned me out. A lot of peeing, a lot of pooping, a lot of farting. And I feel like my skin just looks so much better. Like, I think throughout the video you guys could see I had like this big pimple on my cheek that has gone down. So yeah, I feel so good. So yeah, so I think you guys should totally try it out if you want to. My camera's about to die, so I'm just gonna quickly like sign off. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you want another weight loss update or another weight loss video, I will definitely do that for you. Just let me know in the comments down below. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, whatever for me, make sure you also leave those in the comment section down below. Don't forget to thumbs up this video if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And yeah, that's it. I love you guys. I don't have anything else to say, but thank you so much for watching. Bye.